So this is my very good friend, my partner, my mentor, Johnny. We have long history. Like, we met a couple of years ago. He saved my ass a few times, big time, and he's always trusted me. Always came back, mentored me through the downs, some ups, mostly downs. I completely underestimated any mentorship. How important that is. I think you took a decade out of mentoring.
I've been starting my own business since 12 years ago, and since then, as everyone, I have my up and downs, and most importantly is, I'm lucky enough to, came across with a lot of people and a lot of good partner eventually, and I'm just so fortunately be able to work with every one of them. And in the process, I have to fund my position in every one of the ventures, and just very happy that we got to this point, and there's so much we can looking forward to, and yes.
Yeah. So I own this guy everything, and I'm extremely happy we're going to have a lifelong friendship looking forward, and so many more opportunities coming out of that. So you don't underestimate mentorship, guys. Like coaching, mentorship, it is so crucial. No matter what it costs you, the ROI on that, if you have the right member, if you have the right coach, is endless. So if you're interested in coaching, check the links below in the description. There's a link to a webinar that will invite you to a call with us to learn more about our coaching program, because we get people to quit the jobs, to start making money, to start the e-commerce business. And it's not all fun. There's a lot of ups, and a lot of times you need just the right guidance. Like, I think it's not, most of the time it's not the technical stuff,
There's
so much.
no one, universal solution to everyone. So that's why, everyone has to come forward and basically to lay out all the facts about him, and then what the Easy Peasy sourcing and the Easy Peasy Ecom can do for them is to help them to review all the facts and come up with actually actionable plan that is feasible, that is actionable, but also most importantly is that can get the results.
Yeah. So you will see more about him. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. We have a lot more coming. We're going to do some podcast episodes together.
Absolutely.
We're going to dig deep. Every time we meet, we could talk for hours. We'll get more into that and more personal, and help you a little bit more with your mindset and get your money right. So that's what we're gonna do, and you'll see more of that soon.